Hello everyone, welcome to the Numpy course. So this session will be learning about the array attributes in Numpy. So basically array attributes are essential to find out the shapes, your dimension of that array, size of that array. With the help of array attributes, we can connect with the ND array object which we already learned in our previous lessons. So with that we can connect with the ND array object of NumPy, and we can do all the operation with the help of attributes. So there is a varieties of array attributes present in a NumPy. Like we are having the first one is ND array dot and dim. So in this we can go with the n dimensional array. For that particular time we use this particular attributes that come to the shape. With the help of shape attributes, you can give your size or shape to the array like 2D array, or if you are using a multi-dimensional array. So if you want to give the size on that, like shape on that, like two values you want in that particular shape, 2 cross 3, 3 cross 3 matrix. So in that particular type we use a shape. Now come to the size. When you are giving a size, it's compulsory you have to give a size. Your matrix like 2 cross 3, 2 cross 2 matrix, or 3 cross 3, that particular time the size is nothing but we have to give a array size on that, which array size it follows with the dimensional d type. So what type it is, like which data types it is, so we can use this data type to check that is it integer or is it float, or it comes to the character or string, and in or complex. So that follows with the d type. Now comes to your item size. With the help of this, whatever the item you are using, it should be integer, float. What is the size of that particular item? Suppose you are using int and any variable. So what is the value of that particular thing and what is the size of that? So this is what our array attributes basically used for. So I hope you're clear with the theoretical way to understand the array attributes. Now we jump to the Jupyter notebook to learn that how we have to work on the practically the array attributes in NumPy. So we'll start with the importing first. So import NumPy as NP, and then we are moving to create a normal array. So a equals to np dot array, and then passing the values. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5 6 7 8 9. One set is done. Then move to the another values. Suppose 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Second one is done. Now move to taking one more. 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29. So our array is done. Now we just print this particular array. Print a. Yeah, you can observe that it's properly. Now we'll create one more, the small one, to see that normal creation, and we'll see that how the shape operation will. So take the variable name, suppose VRR or var variable equals to, then we create the np dot array and the values. So suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma comma, and then one more, suppose 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 14. So done. Then print var, so it will be inside the bracket. Yeah, so print var. So now we'll see the shape of that. Here we normally take the things. So I just take the same variable here, paste it. Now if we check the shape of that particular array, how we have to do? Just give the variable name in a print dot operator, and then your attributes, that is shape, shape. After this, we'll see the item size, how we have to use the item size. So already we imported, we move to the variable creation, suppose x equals to then np dot array, and we just create one values 1 2 3 23 4 5, some random values, and then comma d type equals to np dot float 32. You can use 32 64, depends upon you, you can use that. So float 32, and then you have to print the variable name x dot item size. Item size. What is the size of this particular item? X dot operator. Item size. So you can get to know that what is the size of item, that is 4. So we'll see one more. So we can copy this. We just paste this particular thing. We can go with float 8. So you'll get a error because numpy has no attribute of floating. So check with 64 also. Yes, we got 8. Why? Because it's dependent upon how you're taking the float. So when you're going with the 8, NumPy doesn't support float 8. It starts from only it's 16, 32, 64. So when it comes to 64, it shows that 8 because we have to see that what is the size of that. It's not mean how many values are there. It's depend upon the size, what you used it. For that particular, it gives the values on the size of your floats value. So we'll see one more example for attribute. Suppose we'll go with a variable name var1 equals to np dot arrange arange. This one keyword to arranging the things 24. Then we move to your var1 dot ending. This is for your when you are working with the n-dimensional, three-dimensional, we use this attribute. So move to see that particular thing with the shape. Print var1 dot shape. You can observe that it shows 24 comma. So this is how we are working with the NumPy attribute in Jupyter Notebook or in Python.